I created this image using Nano Banana Pro, and I created this image as well using Nano Banana Pro, and this one over here using Nano Banana Pro. Very simple, guys. So in this video, I will show exactly how you can do the same and create high quality image like this. So guys, without further ado, let us jump right into the video and proceed. Welcome to Gemini. This is where we're going to be executing the whole stuff. So first off, you have to click on the create image, keep it on the thinking to solve complex problem. This actually increase the engine output using Gemini. So without further ado, let us move on. Now I have 15 cinematic superhero identity prompt for Nano Banana Pro that we're going to be exploring today. I have 15 all, and giving out all these 15 prompts because we just hit 400 subscribers. Thank you for that. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. So first off, over here, the prompt one is called the web suited city 4. So let us go ahead and copy this one. Now there's something that you need to pay attention to. All of these require reference image. You can see the uploaded reference image over here. So let me go ahead and upload my reference image and add. Okay, now we have our reference image added, and then we are going to lock in all the characteristics. So click on hit, and immediately Nano Banana Pro begin the generation for you ASAP. Now if you look at this carefully, we have a we have the costume of a superhero that you all know, and the facial identities are kept exactly with the one I uploaded. You can review this and you can come back and review this. Now the amazing thing about this is that it is super high quality and it looks like it's straight out from a movie scene. Now next up, go ahead and paste this, then upload your reference image again. So paste, okay, then I smash. Bingo, we have our next image of another superhero, and you can see it is walking straight out from an ice cube with a ship behind him holding a metallic chain, guys. Now this is another well calculated action scene given right here. Next off, so this is a prompt tree, guys. So let us see, upload our reference image and then smash it to see the result we get. And here we go. We have another amazing image of a superhero scene, and you all know straight up from our amazing movies right here, guys. So this is another image generated using that Nano Banana prompt right there, and all those prompts are going to be made available in the Telegram community. Thank you for joining so far. So next off, we're going to be using the prompt 4. It's called the heavy lift guidance. So paste it and upload the reference image as usual, then smash it, and bingo, we have another amazing image of a superhero scene. Now this character right here using the reference image I uploaded is now raising the whole truck. Now you can see the lightning, you can see the background, everything is just super on point, guys. So now the next prompt is called Emerald Flame Conjurer. So let us upload our reference image again and let us see what it does. And here we go. We have another magical scene from the same reference image you uploaded, the same blending, the same body features with different characteristics, different environment. Now, in another sense, we are actually keeping our character consistent across all the scenes, doing different things, guys. So this is a magical movie action series scene. So moving now to the next prompt. The next prompt is called the Snowbound Anti-Hero. So we're gonna be generating it the same way using our reference image, and bingo, we have another amazing snow crocodiles action scene for us, guys. So this is truly amazing. It keeps the details on point. The lightning is more like a desert or a beach scene, and you can see the superhero with his sword behind using the exact reference face we used and keeping the characteristic intact. Now, the next prompt is called the Volcanic Absodian Warrior. Let's see what it generates. And here we go. Now, looking at something carefully, regardless of the nature of what we want to generate, is still kept my reference image intact. Now you can zoom and see the detail in this reference image and everything. So here we go, you can see the details, and this is more like a god of war or an Absodian warrior of fire and metallic stuff. But yeah, it is amazing. Now the next prompt is called the mutated Obam enforcer. Let us see what this particular prompt enforces out for us. Bingo. This is an urban enforcer right here, so you can see the beautiful cinematic nature of this. The arm, this is amazing. So you can see the arm right here, you can see the facials, everything was kept intact. Now what really gets me happy and then feel super good about this is how it keeps the reference image intact. You can see the glowing stuff and everything is just basically intact. So the next one is called the Stone Sorcerer Forest, and here we go. Now this was obviously a magical scene. This particular stuff was obviously a magical scene. Now if you watch movies like Merlin and stuff, you can understand what this looks like, and a lot of movies that you might have watched, guys. So this is how we create the scenes. Now people pay a lot of money for this. Like I said, all these prompts will be made available in the Telegram community, and the Telegram community link is right in the description and the comment section right there. It is pinned. If you have watched this video to this very end, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates. And here we go. Another related image to the recent one we generated over here, but to me personally, this is more beautiful, high quality, and everything is super on point. You can see the facial and everything, guys. This is just basically nice. I have a firestorm here, I have a firestorm here as well, and let us proceed. You can use any image. You're not limited to this reference image. I'm not giving this reference image to you. You have to use your own image and create this amazing stuff. You can be the superhero in any iconic image generation scene. And here we go. This is more like a recent war scene coming out. You can see the fire, you can see the texture, you can see the red lightning on his chest right there, guys. This is just amazing. This is just amazing, and this is what you watch on the movie. Now just imagine taking this image and animating it to an action scene. You have $1,000 budget done within few seconds, guys. So next up is called the Frozen Battle Commander, and here you go. Now this is a frozen battle commander, and you can see the background actually frozen. The tank is frozen with a heavy metallic all right, so this one is called the Armored Knight Vigilante, and here we go. This is another action-packed scene. Now everything I spoke about right here is cinematic superhero action scene, guys. So the last video we made, which is this on the screen right here, was for Disney poster, and this is action pack, guys. This is amazing. This feels good, guys. So let us proceed. And bingo. Now this almost look like Flash, the movie we watched right here, and this looks good. The lightning, the facials, and everything is just on point on the street, and it's currently in motion, guys. Now this is the last prompt we're exploring, and it's called the Celestial Energy Deity. And here we go. Celestial Energy Deity. Now this is something like God of War, action pack stuff, and it's crazy and it's amazing as well, guys. So we all got to try this prompt right here because I personally like this prompt. You can use any other image. For instance, I'll be using this image right here. Now let me go back and explore the prompt. Okay, let's explore this prompt right here and use another image before we exit and end of the video. So I just uploaded another reference image features to show you how powerful Nano Banana Pro is, how it can automatically sync it and use it as our reference image. So if the result come out positive, please like and subscribe and comment and share to your friends. And here we go. So you can see the facials, everything is nice. So let us go back to the one we created earlier, and you can see now the difference is just slightly, but then it is also nice. Nano Banana Pro was able to lock in this and give us the same cinematic scene, guys. So yeah, we have our video done for today. If this gave you nice time, you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more directive technical stuff using AI. See you all next time.